I would like to present the use of tagging data to develop other effective area-based conservation measures. I'm presenting on behalf of my co-authors, Brian Luckhurst, who, like myself, is a member of the Subcommittee on Ecosystems, Forrest Tontos, who is at the Jet Propulsion Laboratory of NASA, Howard Rowe, who was the director of the Southampton Oceanographic Institute, and Tim Lamb, who needs no introduction from me. The work is being done on behalf of the Sargasso Sea Commission, whose objective is to strengthen the stewardship of the Sargasso Sea, which is an economically and biologically significant high seas area. The work is being done under two projects: the French Fund, the Global Environment, and the GEF Common Oceans Programme. The objective of these projects is to support sustainable use and conservation of biodiversity in areas beyond national jurisdiction. The Sargasso Sea is an ecologically or biologically significant marine area. The Sargasso Sea Commission exercises a stewardship role and keeps the health of the area, its productivity and resilience under constant review. This is important for iccat, especially as iccat moves towards ecosystem-based fisheries management. There are two potential tools for ecosystem-based fisheries management: MPAs, which have a primary objective of conservation, but there's also other effective area-based conservation measures, which are geographically defined areas and are governed to achieve multiple objectives: cultural, social, economic, spiritual, and any other locally relevant objectives. It's fine as long as effective conservation is still delivered. However, no single EBFM approach is going to be optimal. Policy frameworks and scientific tools need to be developed on a regional basis and must consider the essential elements in the ecosystem that affect and are affected by fishing. It is also important to consider social and economic aspects and to include scientists and stakeholders as part of the process. iccat is already starting to consider social and economic aspects of iccat fisheries under the Subcommittee of Ecosystems. There's a variety of frameworks under development to implement ecosystem-based fisheries management. For instance, that of NAFO has promise, and hopefully the Sargasso Sea case study will help in learning and transferring lessons between convention areas of the different RFMOs. And finally, my only tagging slide. In the future, a key issue is no longer going to be a lack of data, but the multitudes of different types of data from different platforms that is going to be available. The challenge is going to be how to use these data, tagging data included, as we move towards ecosystem-based fisheries management. There are some examples, very good examples, but there's still a need for extensive cross-disciplinary collaboration and improved access to data. Machine learning and artificial intelligence can help us go from big data to validated models of system interactions and allow us to look at potential impacts of human activity and how to mitigate them. There's an important project that we're collaborating with, Coverage, which is led by NASA and is trying to better marshal all the available different types of observations that are available across platforms and develop data infrastructures and services that will give better access to these different data sets. And hopefully the Sargasso Sea can help in providing a prototype of how to improve effective ecosystem-based fisheries management. I would point you to these two websites. One is for the CEOS, which is explaining what their efforts are actually involved. And there's also a very nice demo of the VisApp tool for animal telemetry, which allows you to play back tracks over a variety of different data sets. And this is going to be a really important tool that hopefully next year we can have some applications that we can demonstrate to people with. Thanks very much.